On-premises and cloud network architectures. This topic explains how businesses decide whether their networks stay locally managed or hosted remotely. Think of it like owning a personal car versus using a ride-sharing service. Both move you, but in different ways. The core idea is balancing control, flexibility, and cost. On-premises offers full control, while cloud emphasizes scalability and convenience. On-premises is like owning a workshop at home. Tools are always there, but you maintain everything. Cloud is like renting shared space. Someone else maintains it, and you expand instantly when you need. Both models matter because companies must choose what fits their security, budget, and performance needs. From small startups to global enterprises, these architectures guide where and how data flows are managed. The key takeaway: on-premises means control, cloud means flexibility, and often, a hybrid of both delivers the best outcome.